Slow computers, slow internet, and security holes not only leave your staff aggravated, but also put your business and customers at a screeching halt. IT managed services from CompuCorp help to maintain, repair, and keep your systems running optimal. We become your virtual IT department. Located here in Columbus at Polaris Parkway, our team of system engineers, network engineers, system administrators, project managers, and advisors help design the proper services for your needs. We believe that providing good services start with a great understanding. It all starts with a client onboarding. In this process, we deep dive into your systems from the hardware and the software and make sure to create documentation that allows us to monitor the proper functions of each component. In order to see if IT Managed Services is a good fit for your business, click the link below to start our IT Managed Service Assessment Quiz. Thanks.